Oh my gosh, they're starting already. It's 7:30 in the morning. I wonder what the plan is for today.
Grading and start framing.
Grading and framing?
I got to bring down my shit, it's so wet.
Oh really?
Yeah, the other one gets sinking.
Oh really? Oh, I didn't realize it.
Yesterday.
Oh wow. You guys did so much yesterday. Are you tired? Are you sore? Are you sore? No? Oh, I wonder if my drip irrigation ran yesterday. Look at that water right there. Ugh, I gotta go check that. I didn't even think about that.
We wasted gallons of water last night?
Yes, look at this. Thursday, 5:34 a.m., the morning schedule went off, and they had unplugged all of those. Shoot! Oh, rookie mistake. Rookie mistake. The drip irrigation went off.
Oh, it's totally wet.
It's totally wet. Oh man, I screwed up. I wasn't even thinking about that. Okay, I am fixing this right now. Skip this run. Are you stressed out, Monty? Is it another day of stress? Monty wants you all to know that he is frustrated and annoyed and tired of being inside, and the construction is interfering with his patrolling of the property. Yes, I know, buddy. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. You can get the squirrels later. So with the deck and pergola gone, I actually have a great view just from inside the house, watching to see what they're doing. I mean, I can get up close and personal here. So Tomas is on this thing, what do you call it, a backhoe, right? So I don't know if you guys heard when he said, but he said that other machine was sinking down into the ground because the soil was too wet. And so he got this one, and they are leveling out. These guys are leveling everything out, getting it ready to put 2x4s down to have like frames, basically like a stencil or a cookie cutter for the concrete that they're gonna pour on, probably on Tuesday is my guess. And then this gentleman over here, he has been working for quite a while now, getting this piece of concrete out. And wow, he must have a headache. He must have a headache because he's been working for a while and he's only gotten that far. So that whole piece is gonna just be open. It's just gonna be soil so that there's room on either side. So there's soil on either side for the pathway to my office. So very exciting. I can't believe these guys aren't tired. I mean, I'm exhausted watching them. On another note, look at what an absolute beautiful morning it is, with the fog and the sun and all the dew on the meadow. And I don't know if you guys can see, there's spider webs here. Beautiful winter morning. Little loud, but a beautiful morning. Uh-oh. Oh, no. All right, update. The guys are spreading some gravel to go underneath the concrete. And then this gentleman over here is still working. I think he hit a water pipe and it was spraying for a while, but they got that stopped. And then Tomas is over here working on shaping all of the soil. Whew, it's interesting. Okay, let me go in here so I can actually talk. Oh, this is insanity. All right, so first off, we have him over here. He's been working all morning. What time is it? It is 10:30. He has been working all morning drilling out the concrete. And then I don't know if you guys can see, there's a pipe that goes to my hose link, and the pipe was like an inch. He said it went up and then it went over like this and then back up, and it was like an inch under the concrete, and they didn't know it went horizontal. So they hit it with the drill. What do you call that thing? A hammer drill? I don't know what you call that thing. You guys, this crazy thing. They hit it and there was water spewing out everywhere. So we have no water right now. He said it's easy to fix, not a big deal. I feel really bad for this gentleman. The bunnies live right inside here, and I ended up moving them because they were not happy campers. I ended up moving them. Hi, girls. You guys okay? They'll just stay here for the next couple days. You guys okay? Huh? I know, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna get you a banana, okay? Oh, these poor things. They're scared. I'm scared. This is crazy. So then we have these guys, and they are working on the gravel that's going to go underneath the concrete. So they're leveling everything out. That's exciting. You can see right here, this space is going to be open because I don't know if you guys can see, but right there, that's the access point to underneath our house. And, we were like, okay, well, we can cover it or do this, do that. And then we just decided it would just be great if this was just open. And Michael made a good point. He said, because the AC's right there, we're never going to sit here or really use it for anything. So this is just going to be planting right here. And then the concrete's going to start, kind of all around it. And then Tomas is over there on the earth mover, the backhoe, and he's shaping the berms. And I just walked out there and walked around with him and showed him where I want the berms with the extra soil. And then I even showed him some spots in the front yard if they have extra soil. So yes, very exciting. So much going on. No water right now. I'm glad I already took my shower. Okay, update. They just showed me all the layouts. Hopefully you guys can see this. Look at how good this is gonna look. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna change a little bit. He said to do a full diamond in concrete right here. He's gonna change this planting area just to go like that and then like that. So this is gonna get a little bit smaller, which I am totally, totally fine with. But look at how good this looks. It's just, oh my gosh. Tomas, you know what you're doing.
That's right.
You got this. You're amazing. And then hopefully you guys can see out here, that's all the way back. He let me know that the posts were a little off, which I understand. I said, go based on your measurements, not my measurements.
You see the door?
The door. Yeah. We just don't look at things that closely here. It's just a little off. That's okay. The door is a little off. That's fine. So it's as straight as it possibly can be how he can make it. I had planned for these to be 4 feet diagonal stepping pads here, but we're going to do a little bit smaller because he had to do 6 inches away from the posts. And then there's going to be a big open spot right here where the fountain is eventually going to go. And then he's going to do 3-foot pathways along either side. This is amazing. And I know a lot of you are worried about my maple trees. They are okay. They're gonna be fine, and if they're not, that's okay. I can always replace them. It'll be okay. And then you can see my berms over here. Oh, I love this. Oh, this is gonna be so great. This just gives my yard so much texture. No, interest. What word am I saying? I don't know. It looks really good though. I am so happy with it. So here's backed up. This is a backed up view of the orange of the diamonds, how big the diamonds are going to be in this specific area. So you guys can kind of see the idea that Michael and I had and how beautiful it's going to look. And in these little gaps here, that's where the gravel is going to be. And I know one of you asked why I wasn't using decomposed granite versus gravel. We actually covered all of our decomposed granite with 3/8 inch decomposed gravel. Oh wait, how do I say this? 3/8 inch gravel out of the same stuff that decomposed granite is made out of. And that's what we're using back here. So it's going to match all the pathways that we have in front. Everything's going to be nice and cohesive, and it's going to be beautiful. All right. It's 3 o'clock. I think it's like 3:30. The guys have left for the day. I came up to the roof again. Yes, I like being up here just so I can see everything because it's incredible. It is so incredibly amazing what is happening in my back garden right now. I'm just in awe of it. It's just so beautiful. Well, it's not beautiful yet, but I can see it. I have a vision. I know it's going to be beautiful. And I know Tomas has my vision too. And it's going to be absolutely amazing. I have to say, I did not get very much footage today. I hope this video is okay because it was so loud today. It was so loud with the jackhammer. Yes, I finally figured out what it's called, the jackhammer. They started with the jackhammer at 7:30 this morning, literally 7:30, and they took a lunch break, but they went straight through till 3 o'clock. It was, I mean, I'm so impressed with what these guys can do and how hard they work. And this is just a really, really great team. Monty is finally getting a chance to explore. You see him. So now that everyone's gone, I have a little bit of peace and quiet, a little bit. Let me give you guys a closer look, or not, I shouldn't say a closer look, a more bird's eye look from up here on the roof so you guys can really see what's happening. Oh, buddy, you're gonna be so muddy. Oh, So they got the pipe fixed that they jackhammered on accident, which I don't blame them at all, because there's no way they would have known that that pipe was so shallow to the ground. Oh, Monty, out, bud. I don't want you under there. Good boy. Good boy. So you can see the diamonds and where this in between the small lines, that's where the gravel is going to be, the 3/8 inch gravel, which is the same stuff that we had in between those pavers that were over there in that area. So it's kind of the same look, just bigger stepping pads, and it turned onto a diamond, which mimics the espalier that I have in the front yard and the diamond pattern that I have in the front yard. So it's just gonna be beautiful. I love it. And then here you can see where they're going. This see that orange line right there, that we're not going based on where these boards are. We're going to put this planting bed is going to be at a diagonal, and then it's going to come over here like that. And so this is just going to be open, and then that's just so this spot it's just a way to kind of fit that weird thing in. And I think that it's going to be completely fine. You can see over here where there's going to be a gap between the wall and the start of the concrete. And that's so that I can plant things in the ground and let them grow up. Either welded wire, or I might even put a wood trellis on here. And I'm thinking about putting growing passion flower on the back, growing it up. I think that will be really, really pretty. And then I'm really interested to see how they're going to frame out this part, because right where the backhoe is, that's where the big fountain's going to go. It's going to be so beautiful, you guys. And we're going to have the sound of water back here. Oh, it's just going to be amazing. So that's where the big fountain's going to go. There's going to be a planting area around the fountain, and then 2 pathways on either side that connects with this big pathway all the way to the greenhouse. And I can't wait, because it's going to be so great, because I'm basically going to be able to walk barefoot if I want, barefoot or in my slippers or something, from the back door all the way down to the greenhouse, which is just going to be amazing. And then I'm not sure, they haven't started here to the office yet, but that is going to be concrete as well. And then I think I'm actually going to make arbors that mimic the arbors that are going to be going over here. I think I'm going to put arbors over here and grow honeysuckle on them on the way to the greenhouse. So I basically have a honeysuckle allée over here and then a rose allée over there. And I've been saying allée, and some of you have been asking me what I'm talking about when I say allée. That's just the French word for alley, when it's like an arch, like multiple arches in a row. And so it's almost like you're walking through a tunnel of plantings, which is just beautiful. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So anyway, this is the end of construction day 2. I think it's looking so good. I asked Tomas about when he's going to start adjusting the deck, and he said that that's going to come very last, because he's afraid when he pours the concrete, some of it might splatter onto the deck and the new deck, and he doesn't want it to splatter. Totally appreciate that. And then we were talking about the steps, and he measured it, and it's going to be 2 kind of shallow steps right here, like right here, this whole area. So I'm so excited. And I will say, I just appreciate your guys' excitement for this as well. It has been so much fun reading and responding to a lot of your comments. You guys seem like you guys are as excited as I am about this project, which makes it 1,000 times more fun. So I just want to say a huge thank you for following along with me with this. I'm glad you guys are enjoying it as much as I'm enjoying it. And I'm glad you guys want to see every step of the way, because that's the kind of stuff that I want to see on YouTube. Is like, I want to see the nitty gritty of all of it, not just like the before and after, or like, you know, the HGTV Yard Crasher style of where you get everything done in 30 minutes and then you're completely done with the project. Things just don't work that way. Things take a lot longer, and I feel like even this project is going very, very quickly, and I'm really happy with how fast it's going. But anyway, I appreciate you all watching. Thank you so much. You guys will be seeing this on Friday, so we'll take a little break over the weekend. I am going to that rose pruning class with Linda Knowles tomorrow or Saturday, so I probably will post that one on Monday, but we'll be back to construction come Tuesday. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope you all have a chance to get in your garden today.